are going to be showing you how to make little ornaments, and they're going to be unicorn ornaments.
Unicorns! Who doesn't want unicorns? We love unicorns.
My name's Priyella.
And I'm Tammy. And we're going to teach you how to make beautiful unicorn ornaments that you can give away, that you can share, and that you can enjoy making wonderful, happy family memories with. So let's get started. What's so exciting is we're going to teach you how to make these, and we're also creating up little packets so that you can do this on your own and create wonderful, beautiful memories with your family.
And you can do them with family and friends.
Yes, and you can give them away as gifts to other friends, as teachers, or to grandma and grandpa
Christmas
as well.
ornaments.
Yes, it's a perfect gift for all those people that love unicorns, which is just about everybody in the whole wide world. So what your kit will include are Sculpty. This Sculpty, you will actually create a unicorn horn with it, and then you will bake it and it will harden.
We will demonstrate that. And then it also includes 4 little flowers. So for today, we are using rose and then purple flowers and some leaves. We have some leaves.
So it makes a beautiful wreath on the ball. And then we have the white and the pink. There's 2 little pieces here. The white they both have a pattern. The white says W, the pink says P, and then you'll just cut. You'll want a pen so that you can mark it and cut it out and put your ears together. So we also have a pair of scissors for cutting. We've got a marker for personalizing your ball and making the eyes and eyelashes. And we also have a glue gun. And one other thing I want to mention is just that this ball, so you know about the right size, because these flowers are about 1 inch. So this ball that we're using is about 12 inches circumference, okay? So that'll give you a good idea of the size, because the ball is not included. You're going to want to get that yourself. This one is foam.
It may break, and we don't want that.
In shipping, when we ship your beautiful unicorn packet to you, the ball may break. So we thought it would be easier for you to pick up your own ball. You can pick up the color you want, and we happen to get a foam one so that we don't have to glue the flowers. We just have to glue the ears. And that's it. So let's start.
And the little unicorn horns.
Yes.
So we're going to start off with the unicorn horns. We're going to take our Sculpty clay. Mom, you can take this one. And you're going to roll it out on a hard surface. I'm just showing you guys. And then you're going to slowly roll one end a bit more than the other to make a...
Hold it up a little bit.
Little... I would say unicorn. So once they're the same size, you're going to take the tips together and squish them kind of right at the tip. And then circle, like swirl the rest of it. So then you'll get a little unicorn.
You just swirl, swirl, swirl. And then with this unicorn horn on the bottom, you're going to want to just push it down on the table and make it a little bit flat. And then go ahead and score it so that your glue, if it has a little bit of a texture on the bottom, then the glue will stick better to that. So then what we have to do is we just bake this. And the cool thing is we'll put all the information, there'll be a little sheet of information in your packet, so you'll know exactly how long to bake it and everything. And this
bake it according to the package instructions, which we will put a little printed paper on everything.
Exactly. So let's begin with this.
Mm-hmm.
So we've got.
So this is foam, so we don't have to. With the flowers, we don't have to hot glue them. We can just kind of stab them in there.
Yep. So let's go ahead and see.
I think we should start off with the flowers.
All right. So should we put the
leaves and then poke the flowers? I don't think the leaves will poke in.
Yeah, they will.
Oh, they do. And you're gonna want to put it a little bit so instead of the leaves and flowers right here, put them down here so they look more like going out towards.
Like that.
Yeah.
And then we'll poke this one in.
Yep.
So nice to have a foam ball, like.
Yeah, it really is.
And then this color. Get you in there, little guy.
And so far, it looks like this.
It's looking cuter already. And we're gonna poke another leaf.
These are hard to poke in.
They're just a little more flimsy than the flowers.
We didn't actually know this was foam when we bought it, so.
It's pretty nice though.
Yeah.
Make it easier.
A surprise.
And then our last flower can go right here.
All right, now we have
How
this.
easy it was.
Yes. So, now I think we should start off with marking our white sheets.
And our pink sheets. You got the little, okay, good.
The pink one's over there.
So all we need is a pen.
Or a marker. Either one preferable, but a pen makes the lines more precise. Ooh,
If it shows up.
your pen.
Yep.
Your pen doesn't want to work.
That happens around here. They get used a lot, huh?
And chewed.
Oh!
Not to mention
We haven't-
Raja.
We haven't mentioned our dog.
No. I'm going to use the marker. That pen doesn't want to work.
So whatever side you're going to draw on is not the side you're going to cut. So you're going to want to cut the side that you're not drawing on, because then you won't have any markings.
Ah, that's very smart.
Thank you. So my little ears are done and ready to get cut out. And I do have the little ones because they're pink. And the pink is the inside of the ear.
Yippers.
And the cool thing is, when kids make things with you, it's always their unique touch, isn't it? So they may not be perfectly perfect, but they are perfectly unique, and that is a lot of fun.
They're perfectly them.
That's right.
Even if it means making a little bit of a mess.
They're looking good. Great. So once we have these done, what I'm going to do is set this on here. And we actually set these at an angle because we know that pony ears or horse ears or unicorn ears actually have a tilt. So one will go this way and one will go this way.
Not even unicorn ears are perfect.
Right. Well, they are perfectly tilted. So now we want our unicorn ears to go like that. We will hot glue the pink to the white just a little bit. My hot glue doesn't want to push in. There we go.
It was squeaking.
And then I'm just going to hot glue the bottom of this.
Okay. There we go. That is all done.
And you can plan ahead if you would like to look at where you want to set the ears, and then you can mark it on there. So
Put a
that
little bit
they,
more hot glue, like on the very end of it.
I've got a lot of leaves here. I could actually probably get rid of one of those.
There we go.
And then this one will get glued to this one. And I'm thinking, gotta have that one facing this way. Alright, so we can just put this one right like that.
Wait, is that sticky?
this side is.
Ah.
Okay. And then
Oh, one side of the pink felt
we'll
less
get
sticky.
not the pink, the white one.
Oh, yeah.
But we'll have
Yeah.
one sticky for doing. Okay. So now I've got my ears attaching right there. And you'll just want to let that set up a little bit. So we're starting to look like a unicorn.
Now we have to go cook the horn. So we just got the unicorn horns out of the oven. They're still a little hot, but we've let them cool down. So now we're gonna draw on the eyes and then I'll glue on the horn.
And we do have in your kit a little pattern for different eyes that you can choose. And so we decided to go with the cute little kind of fancy eyes. So we will show you, well, we might not be able to see them. So we'll have that in the kit as well. And so what I'm gonna do is just start under the ear. And if you want to draw these with a pencil first, and that
Draw that on
that will work
something.
on your ball, you can do that first. You can put the pattern on there. So can you see that eye there? We're gonna
A little.
darken it out.
Yeah, make it a bit thicker too.
Oh, the eyes are so cute. They add so much, don't they?
Yeah, they do.
All right, and then we'll go under my left.
Oh, yeah, you can really see that.
Oh, good. And we'll do it on this side.
That's not even. It's okay. If
It's
not
unique. It's uniquely mine.
It's so cute.
Can you see it? It's starting to look like a unicorn. We're just missing the horn.
One element. The part that makes the horse turn into the unicorn.
Let's see here. There's the glue.
Ah.
Wait, stuck a little bit. There we go.
Stuck in cords. So we're going to take a little bit of hot glue. Circle it on the horn.
Good job.
And
Put
now
it right up there.
we're going to place it right there.
And you can also color your unicorn horn with a marker.
It's a unicorn!
So you can do one silver line or a gold line, or you can do both. And there you have
And they get pretty hard.
a gorgeous little unicorn that you can decorate with the
And you
flowers,
put
the
like
ears.
the date on the back and like
Oh,
your
yes.
name.
We did write the name, so we personalized
date.
it and the date, so we always remember when we hang this on our tree, the year
And
that
it's
we made
almost
it together.
Christmas! It is officially 4 days until Christmas. I meant December, not Christmas. Whoopsie.
Till December. And you can just fiddle with these. You can cut the leaves apart. We'd probably play with it a little bit more, but this is our unicorn for this year, and you can make one too. Just click the link and get your little kit. You're gonna love it.
Leave a thumbs up.
Leave a thumbs up for us, unicorn ladies.
Ow, that hurt.
And remember to have lots of fun. Don't forget to put on the Christmas music and enjoy your time together. It's so precious. Mwah! Love ya.
Bye.
Bye.